Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of battling belly fat? If you haven't tried yoga for weight loss yet, you're missing out. Regular yoga can significantly lower your body mass index and sculpt your core. Today, I'll be sharing 5 powerful yoga poses specifically designed to help you reduce belly fat. So, roll out your mat, and let's get started. First up is the plank pose. This classic move is not just an ab exercise, it's a full body toner. As you hold the plank, make sure to draw your belly button toward your spine to fully engage your core. Let's hold this position for 60 seconds. You can do 30 seconds for beginner. Ready? Go. Great job! I encourage you to do about 2 to 3 repetitions. Next, we have the side plank pose. This pose targets your obliques and helps define your waist. Remember to lift your bottom hip to engage those side abs. We'll hold this for 60 seconds on each side. Adjust to fit your needs. You can do 20 to 30 seconds on each side for beginners. Ready? Let's go! Awesome work! Aim for 3 sets on each side when you practice on your own. Now let's move to the bridge pose. This sneaky belly fat blaster not only strengthens your core but also stretches your spine and hips. Keep your lower back straight, draw your navel to your spine, and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Let's do 3 sets of 10 to 12 bridges, or hold for 60 seconds if you prefer. Ready? Let's go! Fantastic job! Next is the boat pose. This one requires balance and engages your abs hard as you form a V shape. Balance on your tailbone and lift your legs and torso off the ground. We'll hold this for 60 seconds. the chair pose. This pose mimics sitting in an imaginary chair while keeping your core engaged. It works your entire body and boosts your heart rate for greater calorie burn. Hold this position for 60 seconds. Feel free to adjust and make yourself comfortable. You can hold for 30 seconds for beginners. Ready? Let's do it. That's it. Aim for 3 sets or try 5 quick chair poses, holding for 15 seconds each. You did amazing today. Incorporating these poses into your routine can help strengthen your core and reduce belly fat. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more yoga sessions.